The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skilla. You see it. Now, a knife fighting incident happened the other day in Tree Square where two men were injured as a result of this fight. Now, this fight took place at a taxi stand that is across from a place that is called PLAZA, that is in Tree Square, that's Tree, St. Andrew, Jamaica. It has been said that both men were in an argument and it escalated into a fight where both men got injured as a result from that fight. Now, I'm about to show you the video right about now, just for you to get a better understanding of what happened. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that this video or the audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Hey, I know you're scared. Bumbo Clan, they must have each other in the juice. Bumbo Clan. Yo, the part the man them no? Yo, part be a knife in that. Bumbo Clan. Them one them in the juice. Stab him, huh? Yeah, him stab him. Stab him, man. Bumbo Clan. Short boy, them cars. What's your beer blood of leak, you know? Bumbo Clan. This man is right in there now. Watch ya! Bumbo Clan! Watch ya!
Alright viewers and subscribers, there has been no confirmation of any form of fatalities and there is no confirmation of any form of arrest. However, this video is circulating on social media and there has been a lot of speculations. Some says that these kind of things will happen every now and then between taximen and taximen or loadermen and loadermen because of trying to gain customers. Sometimes argument will develop from things like these. But again, I will tell you that there has been no confirmations of all of these things. These are things that are just speculations and you don't know. Me, Dancehall Skilla, I'm going to bring to you what go on and keep you up to date and posted, you see. So again, me I tell you that this is a fight scene, a knife fighting scene that takes place at a taxi stand that is located in Tree Square. That's Tree, across from a place that is called the PLAZA, or beside the Tree Park, or they call it the Tree Park. You understand? But anyways, this is where I leave it to you so that you can have an idea and so forth, and you can just tell me what to think about something like this. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?